Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Duo the owl from Duolingo. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off in the center and let's draw the beak, starting with a curve up and down. And then underneath, let's angle it down, meeting at a point. And then let's add another curve underneath. Now next to the beak on both sides, we're going to draw the eyes. We'll start with a line up. And then from the bottom, let's curve it over and up. And the same thing from the top. And then close it off with another line down. And that's it for the shape of the eyes. Now we're going to hop in and draw the pupils. Let's start inside the left eye and we're going to draw a curve around, leaving it open like this. Now let's do the same thing in the other eye, keeping it closer to the left side. Now from the top of each of these curves, let's bring it over to the right. And then let's bring it down. And a line down on the left side as well. And then let's close it off at the bottom with a curve across. Now let's color both of the pupils in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop out and let's draw the pattern on the face. Let's start in between the eyes at the top and let's draw a curve across. Then let's bring it up on both sides. And then let's curve it down at the ends. Now from the bottom, let's curve it down. Then let's bring it down next to the eyes. And then from the bottom, let's curve it under the eyes and back up next to the beak. Now that we're done the pattern on the face, let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and draw a curve across in the center. Then from the ends, let's bring it up. And then let's curve it down on both sides. Now from the ends, let's bring it down, stopping here. And then underneath both sides, let's draw the wings. Let's start with 2 angles down and out. And then from the bottom, let's curve it back in like this. Now in between the wings here, let's add the eggshell. Let's start inside the wings and let's draw a large U-shaped curve down and across. Now to close it off at the top, let's start on the left and let's draw an angle in and back up. And then let's add another larger angle across and back up to the right side. Now let's move in and let's draw the pattern. On the top left, let's draw a circular curve down from the top and back up. And a larger one up from the bottom right. And that's it for the body. Lastly, underneath, let's draw the feet. Let's start with 2 curves down and out in the center. Then let's hop out and let's draw a set of curves down. And then close off the bottom of each foot with a curve across. And that's it for Duo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!